Welcome to the Wealth Code. Before we talk about money, strategies, or results, I want to be very clear about what this course is really about, because this is not a get-rich-quick program, and it's not about chasing money. This course is about becoming the kind of person wealth responds to. Most people struggle financially not because they're lazy or incapable, but because they've never been taught how wealth actually works at the level of thinking, identity, and focus. Money is not something you chase, it's something that follows. It follows certain ways of thinking, certain decisions, and certain habits of attention. And when those inner conditions are right, wealth becomes a natural outcome instead of a constant struggle. The outcome of this course is simple, but powerful. By the end of this training, you will think, decide, and act like a person wealth naturally flows to. Not through hustle or force, but through clarity, certainty, and intentional action. This course is designed for beginners, even if you've never done mindset work or manifestation before. We start from the ground up and build a solid internal foundation so that whatever you apply afterward, business, investing, career, or creative work, has something real to stand on. To get the most out of this course, I want you to approach it differently than most people approach online training. Don't rush. Don't binge it for entertainment. Each lesson is short on purpose so you can actually integrate what you're learning. Watch one video at a time, reflect, do the workbook exercises, and most importantly, apply the ideas immediately in small, practical ways. Wealth is created through alignment between thought and action, not information alone. You'll notice that throughout this course, we use EFT tapping at specific points. This is intentional. Learning new ideas is helpful, but releasing old subconscious patterns is what creates real change. The tapping sessions are there to help your nervous system and subconscious mind catch up to what you're learning consciously so the changes you make actually stick. If you commit to this process, even just a few minutes a day, you'll begin to notice something subtle but powerful. Your thinking becomes clearer, your decisions become calmer, your focus becomes sharper, and over time, wealth stops feeling like something outside of you and starts feeling like a natural extension of who you are becoming. That is the real work of the Wealth Code, and I'm glad you're here.